This one's called Where Mechanics Go. Where do mechanics go when they die? Well, before I tell you where, I'll tell you why. You see, when a mechanic dies, he don't go to heaven or hell, and that's because his soul is too hard to sell. Satan don't want him because he says they're too mean, and St. Peter won't let him in because grease is a bitch to clean. With ratchets and wrenches and sockets and such, he don't want wings because they don't come with a clutch. Well, the man on the moon needs help pulling that thing across the sky. So that's the place where all mechanics go when they die. They've got pulleys, generators, and engines of every size to keep that thing glowing and moving across the night skies. And every now and then that light will go out, but they get her up and going and back on route. So it's true that a mechanic never stops working. Even after death, they're just up there smirking.
877 4277